everybody! Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Once upon a time, a little boy and the 7 little goats.
Mm-hmm.
And the mommy goat.
Mm-hmm.
One day, he saw the big bad wolf.
Mm-hmm.
And no one to eat all the kids.
Mm-hmm.
It's on to get in. It's on the way.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? Little girl, baby. Nah. And then you do open the door for everyone. And the bad wolf eat all of you. Okay? Don't worry, Mom. We'll help you. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. Knock, knock. It's your mother. I got spot for you. Don't you? Go away. Oh. I put some flowers. Okay, it's quiet and then knock on the door. I would eat after you. And then the mommy goes right back home and he lost his kiss. And then he lost. He cried and he cried. Where's my kiss? Where's my kiss? It's Billy. And then he take off his kids and he spilled into the water and he fell. The end.
That's it? The end?
Yes.
That's the story of the big bad wolf and the 7 little goats?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Nice story.
Nice story. Is that you? It's your turn, Mom.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yes.
Okay. Once upon a time.
Say.
I don't know the story.
Sorry? Can you try again, Mom? Try again.
I can't. Can you tell me the story of the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf?
And the mommy little pig.
And the mommy pig? Okay, tell me the story.
Once upon a time,
Mm-hmm.
and a little boy.
There's 3 little pigs.
No, I want to get the Red Bad Wolf. The Red Riding Hood.
Mm-hmm.
Red Riding Hood.
Mm-hmm.
On the Red Riding Hood, Mommy.
Okay, tell me the story of the Red Riding Hood.
Once upon a time, a Red Riding Hood.
Mm-hmm.
And the big bad wolf. And the mommy, little mommy, he's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, little kids, the big bad wolf's coming for you, and then you have the owner, and you don't. They get the food. But. Now you're ready. Bye-bye, ready, riding hood, baby. Okay, Mom. I will. Oh, no. And it's full, and they pound them. Mommy's safe, and the grandma's safe. And they say goodbye, and they put away. And then they got away. The end.
That's it?
Yes,
The end?
Yes.
It's so funny. Okay, say bye-bye to everybody. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.